Hey, hello, fellow adventurers in IT. I'm back. I just wanted to let everyone know that we're still kicking. I got some plans on videos, like I said before, taking a little longer. Work's got me tied up. But real quick, I wanted to show you guys something. I 3D print things. Printer behind me is going now. You can see that. One over here too. 3D printed the moon in 4 inches. Ta-da, moon. Okay, doesn't look all that fantastic right yet, but let me explain a few things. First of all, NASA releases topology of the moon ever so often. So this latest model is based on a release from 2019. I'll leave a link below to Thingiverse where I obtained this model. I wanted to print a 10-inch version, but that was going to take about 7.5 days, I think. So this guy took 28 hours to print. Now, what's significant about it? Okay, it's hollow. That's on purpose. This is actually a lithophane. And what a lithophane does is if you illuminate it from behind, you see more features that you normally wouldn't see. So, without further ado, light source. And I present the moon. We'll let this focus a little bit here. I think this came out really well. I plan on putting a model light in this. Got someone interested in purchasing it. Like I said, it's a 28-hour print, but well worth it. So anyway, got a time lapse for you. We'll show you that. You can actually watch the sun rise and set in the window in the background. Be sure to check that out. And we'll catch you next time on Adventures in IT.